Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix overheating issue on your iPhone 16, 16 Plus and how we can fix it. So let's get started. We have actually four methods. So the first one is portable. You need to turn off your auto brightness, and before getting into this, why this issue is happening. So this is because of the main reason here in the brightness. So if the brightness is one of the main reason why your iPhone 16, 16 Plus or even the 16, 16 Pro Max and all these things are getting really much heated up. So the first one, we have to turn off the auto brightness. Then I will hit in the settings. Now from here, what we need to do is go over here in the accessibility. And from here, there is an option called display and text size. Tap on this one. And if you scroll down, you can see there is an option called auto brightness, which is turned on. This is one of the main reasons. Just turn this off. That's all we have to do. And moving to the second step is we have to make a few changes in the display and brightness. So just go over here in the display and brightness. And now as you can see, the display is being set into a minimum. So even if you keep this to the maximum like this, you will be having the issue. So if you keep this to nowhere, we'll be having the trouble as we will not be able to see. So try keeping the display in the minimum rate if you're not logging in the indoor. So if you're going outdoor and if you're on the outside, we can set this to the maximum. So keep only this particular thing in the maximum if you're on the outside. Or if you're on the inside or if you're within the home, you can set this to the minimum, or you can do this according to the configuration or according to the preferences, and that's what you have to do. Third step is you have to keep an eye on the auto lock. That is also one of the reasons. So just go over here in the display and brightness, and if you scroll down, you can see over here the auto lock has been set into 5 minutes. So that means my iPhone is going to on for the 5 minutes every time. So even though if I'm not using it is on, the display is on for the 5 minutes, which is draining out and it just goes in big auto lock. So set from this 5 minutes, you can do 7 with 13 seconds when I can move to the 1 minute. So let me keep this 13 seconds, which is a good practice. So keep this to 13 seconds. Last and the least step is we have to turn off the manual app refresh. So just go over here on the jumper and go over here as you can see under the background app refresh. So as you can see, just turn it on, tap on this one. So actually this is turn it on. So what we need to do is just turn this off. And once afterwards, most probably the overheating issue on your phone will become to fix it out. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon, and I treat you. Peace out. Bye bye.